Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam error. When you're trying to set up WhatsApp on your new phone, chats are still on this device or you might have been banned by WhatsApp. Please contact support for more information. If you receive this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam, it means your phone number has been banned from using WhatsApp. This can happen for a number of reasons, including your activity violated WhatsApp terms of services, using a third-party app to access WhatsApp, sending too many messages or calls, or spamming other users. If your phone number has been banned, you won't be able to create a new WhatsApp account with that number. In this video, you will learn why you are banned from WhatsApp and how to fix this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp. In most cases, this can be easily fixed by uninstalling and reinstalling WhatsApp on your device. So go for Play Store and search for WhatsApp and just uninstall and reinstall the WhatsApp application. If you believe you have been banned in error, you can contact WhatsApp support for help. Go to any browser. In my case, I'm going for Google Chrome, and here you can go for www.whatsapp.com. Open this first website, scroll down to the end of this website, tap on this contact us. Now select WhatsApp Messenger support, tap on this blue contact us, and now you have to enter your phone number or email address here. Select the device that you use for WhatsApp, and here you have to explain that you have been banned from WhatsApp by mistake. So you can type something like this: hi team, my phone number has been banned from WhatsApp by mistake. Could you please kindly fix the problem? You just have to tap on this next step, and now here you will find some answers. Just send the question. After you have submitted the form, wait for some time for WhatsApp decisions. They will contact you via the email address that you have provided. Lastly, follow WhatsApp's terms and services to avoid getting banned. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.